Oh, look at that. Oh, the hail's getting bigger. Oh, look at those things. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna stay here. Wow. Okay, this is the best you're gonna get. I don't think I'm at the exact summit. I'm at... It is Tuesday. Yeah, this is kind of weird. So, not my usual hiking day. I'm going out because I'm in Penticton anyway. I looked on all trails and I found an Okanagan Vista view trail. Now, getting up here was fine, but now that I'm here, I don't have GPS, so I can't tell where the trail actually starts. It said it was well marked. Like, this trail seems to be pretty clear and easy. But I don't know if this is the trail I'm technically supposed to take, because there's 3 easy, well-marked trails. There is a sign coming up, so maybe that'll pinpoint me closer. Now, you'll notice the rain. It is ugly and gross and kind of horrible. And I forgot my raincoat, so I feel like the views up here should be phenomenal. This is a lot higher than I thought I was going to start off at. It was like, by the looks of it, it was just like 2 roads that you took to get here. I don't know if we can read that from there. I don't even know if you'd consider them mushrooms. Funky. These guys, prairie slippers. So let's get a couple of good shots of them, and then I'll be right back. All right, let's do it to it. Wasn't that nice? These guys. Oh, they feel like they have gills. No, they're not. Yeah. Oh, okay, so here's a chocolate lily. Two types of bullets already? That must mean I've already missed them, or else. No. What, son? Okay, well, if you look here, we have some brown mushrooms. You don't see that over there at all. This is just these guys. You're focusing in on these guys. This one, he's gonna live there forever and ever and ever, and you're not even gonna see me pick him, so I can eat him later. Look at him. Now, that's not the right color for the morels that are out here. However, this guy is blonde. The mushrooms that should be out here should be a dark brown cap. These usually grow in very sandy soil terrain, which it is, but I thought they were at a much lower elevation. Now, morels are fairly prized for their flavor, and rightly so. And apparently the blonde ones are even more prized yet. I'm going to have to keep my eyes open here, and I am definitely picking and keeping these guys. Yes! Okay, so we've got one here, another nice biggie, another nice biggie here. Oh, I am having a good dinner tonight. Alright, handy tip, essential hiking equipment, brown paper bags. Oh, and the little baby bullet. Little baby. Little baby. Aren't you kind of a cute little guy? Oh, what? Even... So here, this jelly stuff kind of looks like a formation of witch's butter, but it's a different color. It's down there, all over this guy. And then there's this big, crazy, pagoda-looking mushroom here. Where are you? Right there. Yeah, you're just not clear. But this guy, oh, and he's very weak and delicate. Okay, I am gonna pass on him for sure for the edibility, but he is really neat. The witch's butter is supposed to be edible. However, from my experience, it is kind of more of a yellow or an orange, much brighter color.
Workout pause.
And I hear that it's not particularly tasty anyway, so there's really no point to any of it. Now, this is kind of losing the trail for me here, so I'm almost thinking that this was just a little bit of a detour to park your truck to camp out. But, oh, I'm going to have to keep my eyes open. I don't want to step on the fairy slippers. Well, there's a bit of a defined path here, but this is definitely kind of like, hey, you're following bear trail, but that's not true, and I can prove it in 1 second here. So here, there's no reason for a bear to use a saw. I guess they probably do have reasons, but lack the thumbs. So that to me means that this is human intelligence has been down here. Ooh, look at all those mushrooms. Man, it would be nice to find some chanterelles or something different. Pines. Okay, well, now I get to show you the black morels. These are the ones I am used to. He's got a bit of mold happening right in here, and he's got a patch that's been eaten out. So this guy's past his prime. He'll go back into the soil. That just means I have to stop and pay some pretty big attention to anything that's velvety brown, that's sticking its butt up out of the ground. That looks kind of Christmas tree shaped. Oh, I mean, that's just a pretty scene altogether. I think I need to take photos of that. I'll be right back. Let's do it to it. Huh. Well, that's right. So the trail directions had said there was a little cabin up here. And I completely forgot about it. But yeah. Okay, well, that's the view, and that is the end of our journey. We'll be coming back a different way, so there's still more to see, but yeah, I mean, it's not exactly a 360-degree view, but I like it. I think I've had a full and wonderful day. Now the only thing left is to chill out, watch the clouds go by, have some food, and relax. Alright, I'm going to set up the camera so you guys can watch the world go by. Guys won't be able to. Oh, he's gone. Never mind. There was a cute little bird sitting on top of a tree going vroom. Wee-oo! I don't know if you can really take in what that tree is offering right now, but the shape of it, how beautiful, lush and green it is under a field of wildflowers. something else. I almost bypassed this guy. Beautiful red rock. It's kind of out of place here. But it's a nice red kind of granite looking thing. The rocks are even. The rocks are even very much different out here. They're not all just gray and the same. Oh yeah, this is different. Very pretty little guys. Pretty and interesting. I wonder if I can fool with my settings this way. Take a photo. Yeah. We'll see how that turns out. But like in here, there's this color, that color. There's the yellowish stuff. There's this dark stuff here. So it's not just like one little plant here. This is like a whole ecosystem. And it's fantastic. And the moss has given rise to these little flowers here. And I bet you anything that the rock is providing some minerals for that. Probably a lot of. Well, I'm hearing things again, so let's keep on the dusty trail. I'll keep you apprised of things as we go. Whole patch of fairy slipper orchids. A whole patch of them. Look at this. Well, isn't this interesting? So this is a different style than the one we saw. This looks like an old log cabin. Now, part of it is still here, and it's probably here for a good long time. But you can see how the logs here are just flattened and put on top. This one shouldn't last quite as long as the others do, just because you have a flat surface, so if water gets in there, it'll always get in there. The way around it would be to have like a really, really big, oversized cover on your roof that kept the rain off everything. So this wouldn't be kind of a recommended way of building a log cabin. The little cabin that we were at the end of the trail was kind of the traditional Swedish saddle, I think it's called. So the sounds of gunfire are really close. I'm just gonna start recording just in case. Hopefully I make it out of here in one piece. Okay, now, this is kind of bad. That was further away, so maybe they shoved on a bit.
12 kilometers completed. Elevation 1,267 meters. Current speed 0.8 kilometers per hour. Average speed 3 kilometers per hour. Per net calories 1,152 kilocalories.
So this whole back pond here kind of claimed this part of the road. I always find that kind of neat. So yeah, the trail is going to hoop around here. Well, they're not through, obviously. But it's pretty obvious they're not close to where I am, so that's good. Okay, I'm going to call this part of the journey done. Head back to the car. I'll set up the camera. I'll see if I can show you the funky rocks.